Physics Chapter 6, Problem 15. The front 1.2 meters of a 1,400 kilogram car is designed as a crumple zone that collapses to absorb the shock of a collision. If a car traveling 25 meters per second stops uniformly in 1.2 meters, A. How long does the collision last? B. What is the magnitude of the average force on the car? And C. What is the acceleration of the car? Express the acceleration as a multiple of the acceleration of gravity. So you start out and you have your car, which it gives you is 1,400 kilograms, and it's traveling 25 meters per second, so that is your positive direction. And the front 1.2 meters is the crumple zone. And so you know your velocity initial is 25 meters per second. Your velocity final is 0 meters per second because it stops moving once it crumples. So your distance is 1.2 meters. And you can find your acceleration and your time through kinematics. So that gives you an acceleration of negative 260.42 meters per second squared. And it has to be negative because the car is slowing down. And then you can find your time. So then your time is 0.096 seconds. And so with the acceleration and the time, you can find the average force. And then it wanted, so that is part B. That's your final answer for B. And this is your final answer for A. And then for part C, it wants your acceleration in terms of gravity, which means you have to divide it by 9.8 because that's what gravity is, and that gives you 26.6 g because G stands for gravity. So that's your acceleration, which is part C.